Hello everyone! Today we are in UVic Summons, the UVic search engine to help find more appropriate and better results when you're searching this database. To start, if we just blank search something such as the European Union enlargement, we get a result of over 100,000 results, which is a lot to sort through when you are working on a paper and trying to find out more information about a topic. So to get started, we're going to hit the advanced search button. This way we can pare down our search to a much smaller number. If we wanted to search for European Union enlargement and any article or book or result that has that specifically in the title, we're going to shift from all fields to title for our search. That way it'll only show what's in the title. As well, to pare down the publication date to a specific group to see more recent publications, you can select different date ranges to best suit your needs. I'm going to select the past 5 years to find the more relevant news articles and specific changes. Beyond this, we have a bunch of different options to be able to pare down your search. To start, you want to limit for items that have the full text online. That way, no matter what pops up, you'll be able to view it and all of the content within it, which is really important when you're needing something to cite or you want to find out more about a topic. As well, you're going to want to include scholarly materials, including peer-reviewed. That way you know the information you're receiving is correct and has been through the academic process. To exclude some things from your results, you can include or exclude things such as newspaper articles, book reviews, and dissertations. All of these things aren't as academically strong as peer-reviewed topics. If you would like a specific content type, you can also choose which content. For this, I'm going to stick to any type just because you never know what you can find depending on the material. You can also select the specific language, or if you want to only stick to a specific discipline in the database. But let's see how much we have just from this. As it searches, you can see that we have a very smaller number than before. From 100,000 searches down to 19. This will make your studying and research process go a lot faster and a lot more specific. Hope this helped.